Hello everyone and welcome to Argentine Asado. Right now, today, here in Argentina, it is the depth of winter. It's freezing, it's cold. Today the sun's come out, but it's been really cold these last couple of days. And we've been spending our nights around the fire, cooking asado, drinking wine. This is my dog. Just really proper winter vibes. So really looking forward to getting into some warm weather because I'm planning this trip to Costa Rica. I've been planning this trip for quite a long time with my wife, and we've got a few different goals for this adventure, for this experience. We really want to see monkeys, we want to see whales, we want to see dolphins maybe, and just really get that tropical jungle where there is so much real food. There is just real strong connection between nature and the communities. So I really, really want to kind of live that and see that. And most importantly, I want to experience the Pacific Ocean. I would love to catch a tuna straight from the Pacific Ocean to the table, hopefully. So I'm not going to have too many expectations. I don't know how big or how small if I do catch a tuna. I just really want to have this insane experience. I think it's going to be an absolute banger of a trip, and I want to share it with you in this episode. So let's start this journey. We're going to go to Central America. It's around a 7-hour flight from Argentina, and hopefully we can get some tuna and go straight from the ocean to the table, to the grill, maybe in a matter of minutes, and really enjoy Costa Rica and get that full PURA VIDA experience. So thanks for staying with me. Thanks for your support to this channel, and I look forward to sharing this experience and this journey with you. Till next time, let's go and get on our flight to Costa Rica. Good morning, Costa Rica. We are gonna go and find some yellowfin tuna and grill it this evening. So stay tuned for this awesome episode of Argentine Asado, doing non-traditional grilling in the jungle, Costa Rica experience. We are officially in the jungle, like literally navigating rivers in our trusty Toyota. It's pretty good. We've got our rock motion on, and we need to avoid all the pointy rocks to not damage our gearbox or any of the transmission underneath. Look at this bad boy. Okay, places you go for lunch. Chiquito los motores. Let's go with Topo. Topo's fishing to us, guys. Víctor, vamos a pescar, ¿no?
Un placer. Vamos a darle, a ver.
Excelente.
Vamos a trolear. ¿A vos te gusta trolear?
It's time to go, my friends. We've got our coffee.
Me foca.
We're gonna go and catch a tuna. Go and find some amazing whales. Whale watching, guys. Okay guys, so it's the evening now, and we've just prepared this amazing fresh sashimi with yellowtail tuna. So really excited. We've got some nice aguacate, which is avocado. We've got some cebolla morada, which is red onion. And over here, we're just preparing the table, and we have basically like these like nacho things, some whole grain rice, and we are ready for our sashimi. Salud!
Salud! Salud!
To Costa Rica.